In today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful and user-friendly 3D design tools out there, Spline. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this tool is going to make 3D design and modeling much easier than traditional software. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about getting started with Spline and why it's such a game changer in the world of 3D modeling, animation, and interactive experiences. If you're not familiar with Spline yet, it's an innovative tool that's shaking up the design world. Unlike traditional 3D modeling software, which can be overly complex and difficult to use, Spline offers a user-friendly and collaborative environment. Designed with real-time interaction in mind, Spline allows you to create stunning 3D objects, animations, and environments with ease. Whether you're creating designs for websites, mobile apps, or interactive experiences, it provides a straightforward platform that simplifies the creative process. One of the standout features of Spline is its ability to facilitate collaboration. Teams can work together seamlessly in real time, making it perfect for group projects or client work. You don't need to be a professional designer to start creating. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface is simple enough for beginners but still powerful enough for advanced users. It's designed to let you focus on creativity, not technicalities. Whether you're a solo creator, a freelancer, or part of a design team, Spline offers a streamlined, flexible solution that allows you to experiment, prototype, and produce high-quality 3D content. Its versatility and ease of use make it an ideal tool for anyone looking to push the boundaries of 3D design. One of the core features that sets Spline apart is its real-time design and collaboration capabilities. You can work alongside your team members, clients, or collaborators, making instant changes without the hassle of saving and refreshing constantly. It's a smooth, fluid process that allows multiple people to jump in and contribute seamlessly to a project. When it comes to 3D modeling, Spline makes creating 3D objects intuitive and user-friendly. You don't need to be an expert to design complex shapes. Whether you're sculpting simple geometric objects or more intricate, detailed models, the tool provides all the necessary features for you to create with ease and precision. Spline doesn't just stop at modeling. Animation is also a breeze. You can add movement to your designs, making them come alive with dynamic animations that are easy to implement. If you're designing interactive projects like product demos or immersive experiences, Spline allows you to build such environments without having to rely on external tools. Moreover, Spline comes with a rich library of materials and textures, which lets you enhance your models with lifelike surface effects, like polished metals, soft textiles, or rough stone textures. This is perfect for adding realism to your creations. For developers, Spline offers the ability to export your designs directly to code, simplifying the integration process when adding 3D models and animations to websites or mobile apps. You can also choose from a variety of export formats, such as images, videos, and interactive 3D files, making it easy to share your work or implement it in projects across multiple platforms. Whether you need a quick visual mock-up or a fully interactive experience, Spline gives you the flexibility to export exactly what you need. Getting started with Spline is super simple, and you'll be up and running in no time. First, navigate to Spline's homepage and click on the Get Started button. You can either sign up using your Google account or enter your email to create a new account. After that, Spline will ask for a bit of info about your project. Whether you're designing interactive elements, 3D models, or exploring AR/VR possibilities. Choose the option that best represents your work so Spline can tailor your experience to your needs. Once you're in, you'll land on the Spline dashboard, which is your central hub for all things design. On the main screen, you'll find a mix of inspiration, trending designs, community projects, and remixes of existing creations. It's a fantastic way to explore ideas, stay up to date with design trends, and get creative. On the left side, there's a My Files section where you can organize your projects. This is where all your saved work lives, and it's easy to access and continue your designs. Additionally, the Community section lets you browse through other creators' works, making it easy to see what's trending and get inspiration for your own projects. Whether you're looking for fresh ideas or just want to explore new design possibilities, the Community feed is a great resource. The interface is designed to keep everything clean and accessible, so you can focus on bringing your ideas to life. When you log into your Spline dashboard, you'll find a wealth of resources at your fingertips to help you get started and stay organized. Let's break down the key sections. My Files. This is your personal workspace where all your projects are stored. It's incredibly easy to manage and organize everything here, from naming your designs to grouping related files together. You can also track your progress and quickly revisit any project you've been working on. Community. This section is where the magic of collaboration and inspiration happens. You can explore a wide variety of designs and creations from other Spline users. Whether you're looking for inspiration or want to remix a design to create something entirely new, the Community feed is a great place to start. Plus, you can see what's trending and get an idea of what's popular in the world of 3D design. Tutorials. If you're new to the world of 3D design or just need a bit of guidance, Spline's Tutorials section is a valuable resource. The tutorials cover everything from basic modeling techniques to advanced animation tips. Whether you're looking to create a simple object or a complex interactive animation, these step-by-step guides will help you master the tools you need. Spline's expansive library is a game changer. It includes a variety of pre-made scenes, objects, and assets you can easily incorporate into your projects. Whether you're looking for basic shapes like spheres or more complex objects, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. You can build upon these ready-made assets and customize them to fit your needs, speeding up your workflow and helping you stay productive. With these resources at your disposal, Spline makes it easy to focus on what you do best, creating stunning 3D designs and interactive experiences. Once you're familiar with the interface, let's jump into creating your first design. You can start by clicking New File to open up a fresh canvas. From here, you can begin building your 3D scene. You'll have access to a range of tools on the top left and the ability to manipulate objects in your workspace. When you start working in Spline, the first step is to add objects to your workspace. You can choose from a variety of basic shapes, such as cubes, spheres, or cones, to build the foundation of your design. If you're focusing on 3D text, you can easily add that too, making it simple to create typographic designs or add text-based elements to your scene. One of the standout features of Spline is the drag-and-drop functionality. You can effortlessly drag objects from the library directly into your workspace, significantly speeding up your workflow. This makes it easy to build complex scenes by simply adding and arranging components as you see fit. Once your objects are in place, you can adjust the camera to view your scene from different angles. This flexibility is invaluable when you're working with intricate details that require precision from multiple perspectives. The camera angles let you zoom in and rotate around the objects, ensuring you're capturing every aspect of your design. If you want to fine-tune your objects, select them and use the customization tools on the right. You can scale, rotate, and reposition the objects with ease. For those seeking more accuracy, Spline also includes a grid system, allowing you to align objects perfectly for a professional finish. Animation is another powerful feature of Spline. You can animate your objects by setting keyframes, enabling smooth transitions between positions. This works great for animating rotations, resizing, and other transformations, adding movement to your design that captivates viewers. Text is another essential element you can add to your designs. Spline allows you to insert 3D text, and from there, you can adjust the material of the text, transforming it into custom shapes for a unique look. Whether you want glossy, metallic finishes or a more subdued, matte texture, Spline gives you plenty of material options to experiment with. For a deeper level of customization, Spline's sculpting tools allow you to mold and shape your 3D objects. Whether you're creating an organic design or a completely custom object, sculpting opens up a world of possibilities for unique, intricate designs. Lastly, one of the most exciting aspects of Spline is its interactive capabilities. You can design 3D elements that respond to user inputs, such as clicks, hover actions, or other interactions. This makes Spline perfect for creating immersive experiences or interactive product demos, where users can engage with your design in real time. With all of these tools combined, Spline empowers you to bring your creative ideas to life in 3D, whether you're crafting static visuals, animations, or interactive experiences. After finishing your design in Spline, the next step is to export it in a format that suits your needs. Whether you're looking to share a static image, a video, or something more interactive, Spline has you covered. You can export your project as a high-resolution image or video, perfect for showcasing your design on social media, presentations, or portfolios. For those working with web or app developers, Spline also provides the ability to export your models into a code format. This makes it incredibly easy to integrate your 3D creations directly into websites or applications, whether it's for a product page, an interactive feature, or an immersive experience. When exporting, Spline offers a variety of settings that let you fine-tune how your design will look once it's published. You can adjust the resolution, background color, and other visual elements to ensure your export meets your exact specifications. The platform even allows you to tweak the export quality, balancing between file size and visual detail. Additionally, if you're aiming for an interactive experience, Spline provides export options that retain the interactivity you've designed, meaning users can interact with your models as they would in a live environment. This flexibility ensures that your 3D designs can be shared and experienced across various platforms and mediums without compromising quality. If you're new to Spline, you'll be glad to know that the platform offers a free plan that's great for beginners and personal projects. With the free plan, you get unlimited access to personal files, the ability to view and explore other files, and participate in community-driven content. This gives you a solid foundation to start designing and experimenting with 3D creations. However, for those looking to unlock even more features, the Pro plan is a great option. Priced at just $20 per month, it offers incredible value for anyone serious about 3D design. With the Pro plan, you'll gain access to advanced features like logo removal, AI-powered style transfers, and premium assets that can help elevate your work. You'll also get access to more complex design tools and the ability to export your work in higher quality formats, making it perfect for professionals or businesses that need top-notch designs. The Pro plan is especially beneficial for users who plan to use Spline for client projects, presentations, or product visualizations, as it provides additional customization, enhanced export options, and access to a broader library of assets and resources. With all these benefits, the Pro plan is a great investment for anyone looking to take their designs to the next level. Spline makes 3D design accessible and fun. Plus, with its collaborative features and real-time updates, it's a great tool for teams as well.